All right, we recording. Wakey, wakey, eggs and bakey.
As you can see, I had an obsession.
I know, Santa Catalog. Well, all right, man, I love you, bye. I'll see you when I get off work. 5:34, it'll be all right, it'll be a little bit late. It ain't gonna take me that long. Just making sure everybody could see me this morning, so they have no reason to say, oh, aren't I sure yeah, we're good, let's go to work. It is so beautiful out this morning. A little bit nipply, it's like 60 something degrees. But hey, it's worth it. Get on the highway. It's gonna be the fastest way to work. Get some highway in the morning. Want to try to get some daylight so you can see me, hear me talk. So it's not all the last footage was nothing but pitch black. Pitch black. Gonna say shit. Let's see if I can beat these people out this light. Hopefully. Nice turn signal. Let's not use my turn signal at all. I'm not gonna use it. I don't think there's no need. You know, you got a turn signal for a reason, but you know, I'm not gonna use it. Neither one of these assholes are using their shit. No turn signal. Like, what the hell? Bro, already this morning people acting stupid as fuck. Turn signal. Turn signal. Turn signal. Oh, as soon as I can get over, I'm gone. You're in the fast lane, bro. You're in the fast lane. You're not even passing the people in the other lane. It's gonna be such an asshole move. You got me going slow now. You're killing my vibe. Bitch, don't kill my vibe. Turn signal, turn signal, turn signal. No turn signal, nothing. Who the fuck is this jackass? You a jackass. Jackass. All day you're a jackass, bro. I'm doing 50 and you're fucking flying by me. That's what makes no sense. God damn, bro. Don't you think you're a little bit too close? Fucking idiots, bro. Like, God, people, man, people. That's why I stay in front of cars. The exact reason why I stay in front of cars. Because I don't trust nobody, man. Either I stay in front of them or I stay hella behind them because, bro, they drive like idiots. Man, it just really, that stuff really bothers me, man. Like, because people just don't care. Oh, you're on a bike. You should watch out for me. Watch out for you. No, you watch out for me. That's how I see it. The early bird gets the worm. You say you're about tired of being an early bird. Now I'm just waiting for Mike to pull up with his old little Harley. With his Harley. Turn signal. Turn signal. Turn signal. Jackass.